know everybody I go like we, still we irie. Cause me no love likes. In a dancehall style. I know everybody I go like, still me irie. Cause we no love likes. No, so every time I rise, we do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Make them know success don't come overnight. No make them know a substance over I.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Empress D, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you haven't yet subscribed, why not? Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell button. Okay?
Well, them can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for
Right, so in my first video this week, I mentioned that we will be doing Caribbean cosmetic lines, and today we will be doing one of my all-time favorites. I might actually say this is my favorite palette out of every palette that I own, because when it comes to pigmentation, she does not play. Okay, she delivers. I think I kind of reviewed this palette already when I was doing the versus James Charles series, because I did, you know, one eye using the Jamrock Universal palette and the other eye using the James Charles palette, and it was really about, you know, the pigmentation and which one paid off. And I think like she's worth it. Right, so I don't know if I dived into any information about Yolando. I don't know if I'm saying that right. If I'm not, I apologize. But I'm just gonna jump into like a little bit about who she is, where she started, and also maybe I'll show you guys some products that she does, and I will link her website below, as well as her Instagram handle. Her name is Yolando Salmon Thomas. Her name is Yolando Salmon Thomas. I hope I said that right. So Yolando has been in makeup since 2011. She has launched her cosmetic line in 2017. So Yolando she lives in the US, I assume, and she has worked on, you know, countless of videos, reality shows, etc. And she basically just decided that what she wants to do is make other people look pretty and provide quality products, and she delivered. When I first heard about Yolando, like playing in makeup by Yolando, I was scrolling on Instagram, and her palette, the Jamrock Universal palette, the palette that I am using today, popped up, and it was like the world's most pigmented eyeshadow. And I was like, yeah, okay, because you know a lot of companies, beauty brands, cosmetic lines, whatever, claim that they have the most pigmented eyeshadows ever, and they don't. So I was like, I'm going to buy it because I'm going to test it for myself, and I am going to see if it really is quality. And I kid you not, like, the pigmentation on this palette is stupid. Okay, it is ridiculous. Just for the purpose of this series, I'm going to swatch a few. So I'm not going to swatch all, because, you know, like some people have reviewed, done swatches, done looks, etc. with this palette. So I don't really need to go overboard. So what I think I'll do is I'll swatch 2 shimmer shades and 2 matte shades, and you guys can see for yourself. So this is the palette. It comes with a mirror as well, like there's a mirror here. So I will swatch anyone. So this looks like a pretty shade. This is Pop Style. And I'll just pop this right here. Look at that. This is creamy. It is nice. Like, I really like it. And I will swatch Chopney, which is up here. So I'll go ahead and I'll swatch that. Look at that. Nothing but nice, buttery, creamy, you know, shimmer shade formula. It's ridiculous. So I will swatch the purple here, which is just purple. That's the name of the shade. And I will swatch that here. Look at that. Yep. And then I will swatch maybe Yardie. I'm trying to swatch the shades that I've used so you guys can see like the pigmentation payoff. Okay, so yeah, I don't think there's much that I need to say on pigmentation on this palette because it's ridiculous. Okay, when I say ridiculous, it's good, it's great, it's fantastic, it's everything. It's like pigmentation heaven in a palette. So I'm just gonna pop on my phone for a second and I'm just gonna see what she has for sale, because I literally went on Instagram when I saw that post and I clicked into her page and I clicked onto the website and it took me directly to the palette. So, you know, I haven't actually browsed, but I will browse now. All right, so she has eyelashes. Let me insert them here. So she has eyelashes as well as an eyelash book. She has lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, singly and also in a bundle. She has highlighters that you can buy individually or in a bundle as well. And she has brushes. And as you guys know, she has the Jamrock Universal palette. At the moment, it is the only palette that she has, but knowing these Caribbean ladies, like, they are ambitious. So, you know, it's not a cosmetic line that will just drop off the side somewhere. It will only pick up and it will blow up into probably like a massive company. Like, I have faith in my Caribbean ladies, I really do. So without further ado, let us jump into the video and I'll show you guys how I achieve this look. But that is my thought on the palette, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, right guys, so as usual, we're starting with one eye completed, and as you can see, like from the intro as well as here, you know, we're starting out with the Jamaican flag colors because we are representing Jamaica. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right on into it. But before I do, my brows are done with the normal ColourPop black and brown pomade and the Revolution Conceal and Define C13. But we're gonna jump on in and we are going to be using the Jamrock Universal palette.